So here's how to fulfill order on Shopify Dropshipping. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to go to the account dashboard. To fulfill orders on Shopify Dropshipping, follow these steps. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you will receive a notification via email or through the Shopify admin dashboard. Then you have to simply check the order details, including the customer's shipping address, selected products, and any specific notes or requests provided by the customers. If you are using a dropshipping supplier, you need to contact them to place the order on the behalf of the customer. Most dropshipping apps and platforms have integration with Shopify, making this process smoother. Ensure that you have the necessary funds to pay the supplier for the products and shipping costs. If applicable, some suppliers may require upfront payment while others may allow you to pay upon shipment. Once you have placed the order with the supplier, go back to your Shopify dashboard and update the order status to fulfilled. This notifies the customer that their order is being processed. If available, obtain the tracking information from the supplier and add it to the order details on Shopify. This allows customers to track their shipment. Send a shipping confirmation email to the customer, including the tracking information and any other relevant details about the order. You also have to monitor the order's delivery progress and be prepared to provide customer support if needed. Address any questions or issues that may arise promptly. As a dropshipper, you don't physically handle the products, but it's essential to maintain a good relationship with your supplier to ensure the product's quality and timely delivery. You can also use CJ Dropshipping to start dropshipping on Shopify. Once you have a CJ Dropshipping account, now here you have to simply click on the connect option to connect your CJ Dropshipping products to your Shopify store. If a customer requests a return or refund, coordinate with the supplier to process it efficiently and ensure the customer's satisfaction. So that's how to fulfill orders on Shopify Dropshipping.